How to disengage a Troy-Bilt cut and reverse cutoff. In addition to push mowers, Troy-Bilt manufactures riding lawn mowers. Troy-Bilt mowers come with numerous safety features. One of those is the reverse cutoff switch, which people sometimes refer to as the cut and reverse cutoff switch. As the name suggests, this safety feature prevents the mower's blades from engaging when you put it in reverse. The switch is mounted under the shift controller housing on the right side of the mower. You can disengage it in approximately 15 minutes. Things you will need: wrench or socket set, screwdriver. Open the Troy-Bilt's engine compartment and remove the negative battery cable with a wrench or socket set. Remove the screws holding the shifting case in place on the right side shifter, using a screwdriver. Slide the case up a shift lever to access the reverse cutoff switch. Unplug the switch from its plastic wiring harness to disengage it. Place the shift case back in place, insert the screws and tighten them back in place with the screwdriver. Also replace the Troy-Bilt's negative battery cable with the wrench or socket set.